Hello, in this video I will show you how to load another file after some time delay after a certain condition match. So for this I have two files, first HTML page and second HTML page. So in first HTML page I will give some input field. For this input field I will give some ID tag, say INP, and in this input field I will put on key up function on key. Now I will define this on click on key up function. Here we will define one variable x which will get the value of this input field. ID INP. Now just to check this working properly or not, we will do one thing. We will display the value of whatever we are getting in another HTML element. To show this HTML element, I will write here h1 tag, say show me with ID demo. So we can see that from this whatever the value we will get from this input field with ID IP in the variable x, and then variable x we will replace this the HTML element here and show the value here. So let's check. So this is there. Now I will put any value. So you see whatever we are putting here, it is displayed here. So our JavaScript function is rightly working. Now we will put one condition here. If say x is equal to 5, then do certain activity. We will say when x is equal to 5, we will say congrats, and please wait. And this another JavaScript code, set timeout function window location assign page second HTML. So this second page we want to assign, and this after you see here 1000 millisecond means 1 second. So we want to say 3000 millisecond means 3 seconds. It will automatically change the page to this second HTML. So let's see when x is equal to 5 this happen or not. Now if we put 3, nothing, because this 3 is not matching. We have to put 5. So I will put 5 here. Wait, you see, please wait, and automatically second page has been loaded. So in this way, by using this time set out function and by assigning the time delay whatever you want, you can load another page. Now you can use this set out JavaScript function in the PHP also. For this we have to change this function. For this we have to change this HTML document into PHP document. We have to write PHP Here I say $x is equal to say 3 if if x is equal to say 3, then we have to write this function. So we have to, since PHP is very good language, we will close this PHP here, and then we are in normal page. We will just copy paste this page, this code. Now we will copy paste this code in the script tag. Like this, and we will again start here PHP. So you see, PHP is very beautiful language. You can start from anywhere, close at any condition, write something, this JavaScript or HTML or CSS code, and again start and close the PHP. So here you see the loop is forming from here to here. So whatever the condition, if meet here, it will load. If condition not followed, then it will not load. So for purpose, we will put here 2. Since 2 is not equal to 3, it will not load. Since this is HTML, we have to change here PHP. So this page is there, first page, but here this our PHP condition is not meeting. Now I will keep it here 3, then we will just reload the page. Yes, I am reloading the page. You see, after some time it will automatically loading. So just for idea, I will write something here also. Please wait. So you can identify the difference. I have to write PHP first dot PHP. So you see this, and automatically after some time page is reloaded. So in this way you can use this set timeout function and reload your page after some time delay. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, then hit the subscribe button.